Fusioning cards. Construct buildings in procedure maps. Explore. Build your deck with cards dropped by defeated enemies. New cards dropped there. That's it. 4 points. Let's see, let's get the short description. Build a map using cards, battle hordes of enemies, customize your weapons, your hero's weapons. Build an adventure map. Using cards, equip your hero to battle hordes of enemies and defeat the evil boss. Construct a living world from cards. That's too much. It sounds nice, but it's not accurate. Customize your hero with strategic deck and vanquish the Dark Overlord in an epic card-driven adventure. An auto battle where you customize the attacks of your hero using cards. Yeah, that's everyone does that, right? Customize. How is it customize? Customize your weapons, your hero sequences of attacks, and the map of your hero to explore in this 3D auto battler inspired in loop here. That's a good introduction. Weapon crafting system. Build the entire map. I like this one. Let's go down. There we go. Customize your weapons. Your hero sequence of attacks. Auto battle, auto combat, automatic combat sequence, and the map of your hero. And the map and the adventure map. And build places in the adventure map for your hero to explore. Next to the auto battler inspired in loop hero. Let's see. Customize your weapons with different effects and proceed. generated adventure maps for your hero to explore in this 3D auto battler inspired in Loop Hero. Deckbuilder 3D auto battler. Customize your weapons with different effects. Configure your hero's sequence of attacks and build places in procedural generated adventure maps. Let's see. Construct buildings in procedural generated adventure maps for your hero to explore in this 3D autobattler spreading loop here. But I already have this here. 3D autobattler. Customize your weapons with different effects. Create a sequence of attacks. Create sequence of attacks of your hero. Create the sequence of attacks of your hero using cards, and construct buildings in procedural generated adventure maps. Generated maps for your hero to explore. Customize your weapons with different effects. Create a sequence of attacks of your hero using cards. I already have these key features are in here already. Let's add a new one. Create the sequence of attacks equipping him with cards. Automatic sequence of attacks. Create the automatic sequence of attacks of your hero by equipping him with cards. Effects. Construct buildings in procedural generated maps for your hero to explore. Build your deck with new cards dropped by defeated enemies. Summon the final boss by acquiring enough field points. Okay, I need to change the introduction. Should be like 2 lines of text at most. Customize your weapons with different effects. Let's read again. Short description. Build an adventure map. Construct a living world from cards. Customize your hero with strategic tech and vanquish the dark overlords. You take engaging strategy driven gameplay will appear and all your depth to abuse the crafting system. Maybe this. Use cards to dictate the various attacks in strategic autobattles. Customize your weapons with different effects. In Warrior's Loop, we take the engaging, strategy-driven gameplay of Loop Hero and add a layer of depth with a weapon crafting system. Oh, I don't like it. Strategy. Maybe I could just get rid of the introduction. Now the introduction is like the capsule. The hello, how you doing? The itch.io is a website. This website. So I want to upload the game here, you know. This is basically a game website when you can play games. See? So I want to do one of these pages for my game, like this. I have to create the title and a description and add the screenshots and the background. That's what I need to do. So it's a background. Oops, background. What else? There we go. There we go. Yes. So that way I can get feedback on the game, you know? That's the purpose. That's why I want to upload it there. Create page. Okay, so introduction. Let's see what's the introduction. So I want to create like a small description like this one. Dungeon Raid is an adventure card roguelike. Dive deeper and deeper into the dungeon. Use everything you find to defeat enemies and kill the final boss. Good luck and try not to die from hunger. Okay, it doesn't tell me much. Look at that. That's a lot. So 1 month and it has a lot of ratings and people are like that. in water slope. What? In water slope. Oops. Oopsie, oopsie, oopsie. There. We took engaging. I don't like this. Because what if you don't know your hero? Deckbuilder. Is it the same? Adventure card. Card deckbuilder. Should I add this one? Card deckbuilder. In water slope we take the engaging strategy-driven gameplay of your hero, another layer of depth with a weapon crafting system. Okay. I could leave it like that, but I don't like it. Warrior sloop. You equip your hero with cards. He automatically uses in battle while you build, while you construct buildings in the 3D map for him to explore. While you construct buildings in the 3D map for him to explore, and make him more powerful to survive long enough to challenge the final evil boss. That's good, I think. And empower him and empower him and empower him, and you make him stronger. To make him stronger, to survive long enough to challenge the final evil boss. In Warrior's Loop, you equip your hero with cards he automatically uses in battle, while you construct buildings in the 3D map for him to explore, to make him stronger to survive long enough to challenge the final boss. That's like a bit complex, isn't it? Let's edit this to challenge the final evil boss. So let's ask the AI what he thinks. I'm making a game I want to upload to itch.io. This is the short description. Can you make it more clear? Easy to understand and better written. Wow, that's taking too long, you know. Normally it doesn't take that long. I wonder if the servers are overloaded. Overloads. Rock 3. Fast. Okay. You okay? Try again. Oops, sorry for that. Sorry for the jump scare. Something's wrong with this. Something's wrong with this. Let's see. Bloop. All right. Okay, in Warrior's Loop, equip your hero with cards that they automatically uses in battles. Build structures on a 3D map for your hero to explore, gathering resources and growing stronger to defeat the ultimate odds. Okay, I think I can improve this even more. Let's see. This. Equip your hero with cards. He automatically uses in battles. In build structures on a 3D map for your hero to explore, gathering resources, gathering new cards. Yes, that's better. I liked it. Yeah, that's better. Let's use this. Evil boss. The ultimate. The ultimate. To defeat the... Let's make it stronger to defeat the evil boss. Automatically, okay. Build structures on a 3D map. Gathering new resources. Yeah, it's also almost the same actually, but it's a little bit better. Okay, I think that's enough. Models build structures on a 3D map for you to explore, gathering new cards and growing stronger to defeat the evil boss. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much. So let's update. Dashboard, I think, yes. That's my wait, replace. This is the new one. There we go. Oh, I think this is like it changes the colors, you know, the colors are better in my version. Oh, I need to do a trailer? I need to do a trailer, man. Okay, let's freaking do a trailer. short description or tagline. Sorry again for the jump scare. Yes, it's a game. In development. Should I change this? In development. Why not? So I'm going to make it playable on the browser, I hope. I don't accept payments, sorry. Here I can update the file, let's save it. Genre, strategy, tags, deck, building, card, game, 3D, automation, battler, boss battle. How is it called when you have like automatic battles? Jeez, how is it called? No. Card game, deck building card game. It's 3D. It's fantasy. It's low poly. Custom character customization. Is this correct? I wonder. Fusion, no fusion. Combine, combination, combo, combos. What else can I add? I don't know. Please contains content. You just... yes, of course. It uses code. Text. Yes, because I edited the text. I think it doesn't use graphics, or does it? It doesn't, right? I don't think I used AI for graphics in this case. I don't remember. No. Text and dialogue. But it's really minimal. Okay. No App Store links, custom noun. It's a game, yes. Draft. Okay, only. Okay. So let's add what I wrote here. Key features. I mean, introduction and key features. Nice. So let's remove this. Let's remove this. Let's remove this. 30 minutes. Gameplay run duration. Let's do 30 minutes. Mouse and keyboard. Key features. Introduction. There we go, controls. So let's get the title, metadata, engines, input methods, keyboard, mouse, that's it. Half an hour, nothing, local, no. Languages, English. Textless, high contrast. Okay, so it has a tutorial. Save, engine and tools, Unity, a sprite, what else, crocodile, Krita. I also use this one, Blockbench. Oh, it's not there. Okay. Blockbench. Blockbench. It's not here. Weird. Sublime, ZBrush. Box 2D. What else did I use? Torque. Torque. Which version? Okay, let's see. 6. Thank you. Release info. License. All rights reserved. Software license. Save external promo images, logo. Okay, so this is the logo. White cover. Social image, fav icon. So I think I should change that one. Wait, I think I already have it. Yes, I can use this one. Save image. White cover. I don't know white cover. Analytics, distribute. Nice. Okay, so this is square. Okay, include itch.io page. Oh, that's the widget. Embed, download keys, Kickstarter, Patreon, build settings, interact, ratings, collection, press, more, admins. Okay, let's edit the game. Where can I set the background? Devlog, promo images should be here, right? favicon white cover. So let's use this one. White color. Edit game. Can you see the page? Wonderful. Okay. Okay. Why it doesn't show the logo of the game, promo images? Recently release classification. Where can I edit the page itself? Visibility and access. Metadata classification. Release info. Interact, distribute analytics, more. Where can I edit it? So weird. Oh, I think I know. So I click here. There, edit theme. Background should be black. There, black. Then the background should be this one. There, the text should be that one. The link is that one. Okay. More options. Headers. Font. Sans serif. Pixel. Lato. This is good. Medium. Large. Very large. All large. Header. Nothing. Screenshot, sidebar, hidden. Banner. That's what I wanted. Center. Oof! That's a bit big, isn't it? That's a bit big. So let's change that. Open the file. Let's edit this one. So let's just make this smaller. Let's crop this. Let's make this image resize. No, not the canvas. Scale to new size. So the height should be 4. This still too big. So let's do 300. Right? Or 200. That's good. Small one. Oops, I forgot to save the alpha. Store alpha. There we go. Let's try again. Remove, upload, for small. Water slope. Yep, nice. But you know what? I think it should have a space. Let's do it like this. I think this is also a way to do it. Or you can like make it a little bit bigger like this. There, save, store alpha. Alright, let's try again. Remove, upload, for small. Yes, there we go. Nice. Warrior's loop. So let's do a background, right? Let's do a background. How can I do it? The background. Can I get? Let's just play with this. What can I just do with this? Docs, logo, models, UI, PNG. Let's use this one. Oh, look at this. I can repeat it horizontally, vertically. Oops, none. Fixed. Left. No, this should be centered. Horizontally, vertically. Wait a second. Why I can't see it? Fixed. Okay, let's remove it. Double resources. A tree. Both. Left. Right. Center. Okay. Horizontally. None. Vertically. Both. Let's see the stone. Nice. So what can I do with this sprite? PNG, vector, cards. Let's use this one. Just nice. Warrior's loop. Horizontally, vertically. Why I can't see this? I see nothing. Vertically, fixed. Left, center. Oh, it's in the center. So this is fixed. Oh, look at that. right? That's weird. Repeat. Horizontally, vertically. Center. Oh, because it's fixed. Both. Warrior slope. Should I? I'm not sure if I should add background. Maybe if I add this one. That's terrible. Should be a dark background. So I have the logo. Let's see this one. Fixed. No, this is terrible. Let's try this one. Left. Okay. This is terrible. Where's loop? Yeah, I don't like it. Models, I have the models here. Maybe I could use a texture, bronze, building, enemies. No. Plant, projectiles, rat, skeleton, stone, tree, wood. Okay, tutorials. Let's see. Ideas. Maybe I could use some of these. I could add this texture. Okay, not fixed. Both. Okay. Got it. Let's get the assets. Oh, maybe I can add stones. Wood. Stone vertical left, stone horizontal top. Oh, skull tile dark. Looks cute. School tile, stone button, Okay, looks interesting. Top center. Stone tablet. Item slot. Little skulls. Both horizontally. Fixed. Okay, they are not fixed. Horizontally, vertically. Let's leave it like that. That's enough. Okay, maybe I can change the color a little bit. Make it a bit darker. Yeah. In development, Unity as prototype data. Okay, interactive tutorial. Secret URL. Wow. Okay, minors or equal. Okay, now let's add screenshots. Let's remove this color here. Add screenshots. That's what I'm doing. Oops, blue. There. Green. Project adventure map. I think I already did this. What? I already did this. Background, not so sure. Logo at the top. This was done. Okay, we're still loading. So I should have a combo. A combat with many enemies. What else should I have? full deck with equipped hero. Buildings on the map. I think I should have that. So let's play. So let's build a village. Plump, punch. Let's connect this. There we go. All right. One slot combo component. There, we have enemy health. That's good. It's good enough. So we have 3. Oh, I think I can. 3 and stone. There. Permanent effect change. Activation trigger. Nice. Effect. Another cave. Let's put a cave there. So he grabs that treasure. Only contains self-effects. There I have 2 punches. I think I might... What just happened there? Okay, I can't use this anymore, so I just get rid of it. I want to display these cards, so I'm not going to use them. There we go, we have a ruin. Maybe I can use it there. There we go. I have some grass. More effects. More effects. Poison +2. Weak. Oh, this is powerful. Enemy weak minus. Another activation trigger. Tower. Yes. Maybe I can add a tower there. This is stone, wheat, and the tree. Stone. So why I can't use this? Because it's I don't know. With stone and tree. Let's grab this. Oh. Okay, let's get rid of that. Another cave. A throw a rock. Okay, have this repeated. Let's show this one. Maybe I can build this one there. Oh. And there we go. And maybe a tower around here. Right there. No, I cannot. I cannot. I cannot. I cannot. Come on, let me. I want to build it there. It's a nice place. Maybe there. Oh, what? What? Wait a second. I never saw that. That freaking bag. Come on, just let me. I just want to place it there. Oh, it's too close to that one. That's why I can't build it there. Maybe around here. Oh, too far away. There. There it is. That's a nice screenshot, right? It shows you a lot of things. Let's try that one. Full screen, snip. I need to place it there. Create from clipboards. Yes, create. Okay. Let's add this one. Let's continue. Another cave. There I have a potion. Self-health +2. What in the world? Oh, we have a new bag. What the hell happened? I know. I think I know what happened. I can show you this like that. Let's just get rid of this. And let's save this. Okay, let's try to fix that bug. I didn't realize I had before. Let's do a new one, create from clipboards. Alright, so we have these two screenshots. Oh, this sucks. Did I close it? Yes, I closed it. I didn't realize I had this thing. That's a bad screenshot. So what's this? Oh, this is really empty. I'm an idiot. Anyway, let's fix that. Fusion able cards. Dropped cards. Dropped cards. Fusion level dropped. Dropped cards. Dropped card script. There we go. Dropped card script. There, drop card script. Dropped cards. Again, I made that mistake. Game object. So with this, I was just destroying the script. Drop card script. This is just a script, not the game object. That was my mistake. Let's try again. So the thing is, I just need 4 screenshots, so they need to be very well done and powerful, you know. Otherwise, they won't achieve my objective, which is to make people impressed about my game, right? That's the objective. So I have the... Let's add the boots over there. Yep. There. Okay, I have the combo. 2 slots right. Let's leave it. I have another card here. Should I? I already have this one, so let's just get rid of it. So now what? I thought I'd fixed this issue. I didn't. I guess I have to fix it now. Let's see what's the problem. Okay, let's see. Follower. It says it reached its destination. it says it's traveling and it's reached its destination. Entity killed, not killed. Okay, that's really annoying. Cave. Okay, so you reached the cave. Why aren't you moving then? There it says zero trouble start. On hero travel. Hero travel start, hero travel. Yes, this is get. Set follow is traveling. Hero travel start event. Invoke. Hero travel start event. Start walk animation. Is traveling true. So is traveling should be set to true. Yes, this is true. So what happened with this? Get next building to visit. My travel controller set target. And the next target should be set. There. So this is wrong then. This is wrong. This is wrong. Return a building. So this is visited. Let's see the visited buildings on the building placer. Buildings. What? Constructed buildings queue. So this is a private. There we have the village and the cave. There, constructed buildings queue. So a building is not serializable. A building is a mono behavior. Okay. Set up building construction. So this is set as false. Read only. There, this building. Okay, cave or village. So let me check it here. Cave visited. What? Visited true. Cave visited is not set as true. So normal. So this means that visited is somehow not set. It's not set. Or maybe it's reset. Maybe that's the thing. Reset. Let's add a debug. Oh. Reset. I wish what was the problem. I wish I knew. Yeah, it would be so much easier. Set building visited. Set building visited. Oh, I have this. Story new building. So if it's the village, it's set as true. Let's check if this is fired or not. Yes. But only in the village. Hero travel, destination reached. Okay, but this is only called for see on destination reached. On destination reached was called only once. So this is like it was never reached. Weird. On destination reached. So check destination reached 1. Let's see. Oh, this is called once. Check destination reached. Check destination reached 1. So let me see how many times is this. Only once. So this is when the village was reached. Yes, that's correct. Get target is not null and travel controller has reached destination and not has reached destination. Let me check where is this used. Hero travel here and there. Check destination. 4337. So here and there. Only in these two places. So not sure what. So when I kill, so he was fighting, yes, he was fighting, and then this is wrong when is this run? Okay, so when I exit combat, I do this and I start the travel once again. Okay, I click this, here travel, I try to get the next building to visit. This works fine. It worked fine. This worked fine. Because the new target was set. And I know that because this is set here as the cave. This cave right here. Okay, so why aren't I moving? The destination, oh, because it says the destination was reached, but it didn't fire the let's see, this didn't fire then for some reason. Maybe because the allowed travel is set as false. Hero travel start. Hero travel. Allow travel. True. Set allow travel. Okay. Set following enabled. Enabled. But is allow travel set to true? Maybe that's the problem. Travel controller has reached, is traveling. Is allow travel? Yes, allow traveling. This is set to true. So for some reason this get target, check destination reached. Has reached destination. Has reached destination. True. This is true. But this is false. This should enter when this is false. Why is this true then? Has reached destination. When is this true? This is true here. This is the only place where it's set. So this is a field. It's a public field. I don't think it should be public. It should be private and read only. The same with this. Be right back. Hello, hello, official goober. How you doing? I'm drinking a coffee here. I'm trying to fix an issue. Good, nice. Set cooldown. Okay, I don't think I need this. Beans. Nice beans. Why? Why are you making a game about beans? About human beings? Bean apocalypse. Nice. Set cooldown. So so here, hero travel. Where is hero travel? there. Unreached destination. Okay, so the problem is that this is never fired and this is never fired. My travel controller should be get target, so this only gets the transform. This is not null. Okay, let's separate this. Not null and not has reached destination. But this is true, but only here. But this is never. Wait a second. If this is true, but this is false, right? This is never visited. Why is this? When? Okay, so when is this has reached destination set to true? Has reached destination. Check destination reached. False. So this is true when it was reached, and then it checks again on destination reached, on update. Maybe I should check it afterwards, at the end, you know. Maybe that's why. I'm not sure. Wow, that's a lot. What are you working on? A 3D ragdoll or a 2D ragdoll? An upgrading system? What type of upgrading system? Those things can get complex. What are you working on? Unity? Unreal? For the gun? For only one gun? Or for many guns? Ah, I see. Working Godot. Good, good. On destination reached. Oh. So the problem is that I don't know when this is fires. Okay, update. But when is this fired then? Has reached destination. Wow, true. If the AI has reached destination, the agent considers the destination reached when it's within stop distance. Word units from the follower entity destination. Additionally, the destination must not be above the agent's head, and it must not be more than half the agent's height, below its feet. More than half. If a facing direction was specified, okay. Destination. The correct destination. Orientation. Okay, so start, destination, search path, while, return null. The agent may not be able to reach the destination. End of path is more appropriate. Okay. Loop Hero is a sequel of my game, Warriors Loop. They based their game in my idea. For one guy. Ah. Yes, very crazy. It's amazing. Something that never happens. Alright. What for? What for? Why the game needs a day-night system? Does it really need one? Is it going to make the game a better game? Reach end of path. Oh, they're like vampires. They're vampires. Vampire beans. Nice. Stop distance. Reach destination. So if the target is not null, okay, maybe the target is null. Because there, hero travel start, right? Set target. Set following enabled. So this is, the target is set. This is correct. Then hero travel start event. And then this is every update. So this is not null for sure, right? Yes, because the only way that this, that this would work is if the target is set. The destination setter target. Oh, but wait a second. This follower entity destination. Where is this set? Follower entity destination. Let's see. Follower entity. So where is the destination? Movement. Nothing. Shape. Last destination, infinity. Movement. Let me check. Normal. Reach destination. Okay, so this is reach destination should be true. This is the destination. Remaining distance is 1.02. Okay, so this reach destination. Follower entity destination. The destination is a what? Get component data. Okay, the destination is a vector. It must be a vector. Reach destination. Can I check destination here? Set destination. There, yes. Get component data. And this is a float 3 destination. What? Yes, it's a vector. Definitely it's a vector. So if the vector is null, this is never run. The only way to run this is when the destination setter is set, and it is set. So once this is set, it will check if the destination has been reached, and according to this, the destination was reached. Okay, so this is the problem, because so far up to this point we have true, perfect, true, and this is the problem. I'm sure has reached destination of the hero travel. Where are you? There. But has reached destination is also true. Oh, because this should be false. That's the problem. So this is the problem, this guy here. Oh, check this out, this is never... So this is never reset. What? Oh. This should be false then. Oh, but this checks this guy here. My travel controller has reached destination. But this is always true. This is always true. Reach destination. There. This one. Reach destination. So this is true. Check destination reached. That's the problem. That's the freaking problem. So what can I do? How can I fix this? Let's remove this. So let me write this once again. If the destination was reached, and the entity, let's see, and the hero does not get a new destination, it will stop moving. That's what happened. So when the destination was reached, this should be run. Get building count, hero travel start. So this is the set building visited. Destination reached event. What should happen here? Invoke of the Map interaction. Map interactions manager instance. Let's check this. Map interactions manager instance. Here. Map. Oh no, that's a. Let's check the managers. No cards. No card, no cry. Buildings. Managers. There, so this is empty, right? All of these are empty. Hero destination reached. Hero. This one, it's empty. Fine. Fine. Find all references. So this is empty. This does nothing. Get the building placer. Set building visited. Set building visited. Here. Get the building visited. Hero travel start. Okay, so this should run again. Okay, so this must run. And the problem is that the destination was reached. And it's stuck there. I can maybe do that like this. If destination is true, and I could do like this. I could do like this maybe, destination. So has reached destination is true. Okay, so I can change this maybe. So maybe I can do if has reached destination and maybe I can wait a second. No, this is wrong. Let me check this. So when this is reached, there, set building as visited, on destination reached. So when the destination was reached, I should set has reached destination as false. Wait, not here. Wait, has reached destination. Wait, hero travel start. Okay, now set following is traveling, and now has reached destination false. There, now it makes more sense, because now it has a new destination. Okay. So has reached destination. Is true. Maybe I should uncheck this. Uncheck this because I already set the destination as false on the other place. There. So let's see if I fix that. Oh, I forgot something. Compiling. There we go. Forgot to take my pills. I'm gonna have to go and take my old man pills because I'm old. Nah, I'm joking. There we go. Start your movement. Let's see if you get to go back. To go back. Ugh. There he goes perfectly fine. You should complete at least a loop. Check that out. There he is, kicking butt. Kicking butt. There, let's build it there. There he is, he's moving. He's moving, he's moving. There. Self weak minus enemy confused +3. Enter close combat, enter close combat. My god. What? Oh, because he found the... There he's finding... Cave, tower. Okay, nice. Oh, I have many towers. Poison plus true 2. Let's get rid of that. Alright, I think it's working. But what about this? Enter close combat. I always get the activation. That's wrong. Self health +1, enemy sleep +2. Enemy health, self shield. This is really good. Okay, let's just add this guy here. There we go. So I fixed the other issue. Enemy self. This is really powerful. Nice. Oh, I want this. Oh, this is nice. Oh, trigger exit. Oh, this doesn't have any exit combat. Let's add this here. So I want this self-help +2. I have all disappears. I have a stone. I have a combo. One slot left. Oh, let's add this one here. Oops. I have another combo. Oh no. Self-wick. Wow, nice. Look at that. Oh, what's wrong with you, man? Oh, you suck. There, so even though this activates on exit combat, this is activating this one. So I'm getting a lot of health. Okay, so I think I fixed the other issue. I need more and more. What can I get new cards? Do I have this one, for example? Okay, do I have new cards? This one, ruins. Oh, look at that. Wait, I'm gonna get rid of this. I'm gonna have this one. Oh, there. Another tower. Sure. Let's add this. Oh, this is this one. Enter close combat. Weak. -3. Oh, this is the one. That's the one I want. So we have enter. All the items appear with activation. So this is enemy poison. I like this one. Let's poison. Oh, come on, man. I still have those ugly issues, ugly bugs. Bloop. Can I close you? Yes. So I have a wood sword. Oh. Okay, let's just take a few screenshots. Look at that rat. Filthy rat. Is this a nice screenshot? Oh no, a bug. What happened? Come on, clip events. Oh, man, I thought I'd fix this. What's the matter with you? Okay, calm down. Calm down. Okay, so the clip is run. This is there. Common clip events. So this activated a card. Cue cards. Animated mesh. Playable cards. So this activated a card that doesn't have, this activated an item that doesn't have an item components container. I'm sure of it. Animated mesh. So let's see. can't release the game in this state. So let's see, cache active card, as you can see. So this was the, oh, it's hidden. There, see? So this, what? This is the cached active card, so why is this activated? Okay, let's see. We have the hero. The problem is the cached active card with an item component container. The cached active card is a punch card. So this means that this is changed all the time. I can't use this. I cannot freaking use this. I need to change this. This is going to be a mess. So when this clip event is used, I execute the card command. This is the problem, cached active cards. That's the problem. Because this execute card command happens, who knows when it happens? You know, it happens with a delay. So this can change. Who knows what card activated this clip? Clip execute card command. Yeah, clip execute card command. Yeah, for example, basic attack. This is the basic attack of the barbarian. See, I have first a face target, and then I have this clip execute card command. This one, which is a void, an int or enum, a float or a string. So who knows what activates this? I need to pass exactly the card that activated this animation. But see, there is a delay until this is called. So what the hell can I do with this? This is called by the clip at any moment with a delay. And I cannot call this because it changes. Because, you know, when a card gets activated, it activates the animation, and then a few seconds pass. And when the seconds pass, this variable changes. That's the problem. So I don't know which card activated this command. How can I do that? See, I cannot add it here because this only accepts an int, a float, or a string. So I need to know this is the wrong way to do this. How can I do this? I need a way to know which card activated this clip. So let me see, right? This punch card is here. The effect graph is run here. Trigger card effect action. And this triggers a graph. So maybe I can save it here. I can save it here instead of the activation queue. Poof, look at this. So this common clip events is used here on the animated mesh of the hero. Common clip events, and I can access the entity bin. Maybe here, parent card, I can access Wait a second, let me check here. Do I have a parent? Trackable script machine. Oh, I think I can access the owner of the card. Action. I have the card manager here, the parent, entity. I have the entity. Combat pool spawner. I have the clip events here of the entity wing. There. Okay, so there. So let's go back here. I can access the entity wing, the deck, and the entity wing, and the clip events. And here I can run maybe I can do a serialized field. I can do a where is it? This card scriptable object. Card a scriptable object. Active cards. There, and then I can do a public void save active card, and I do an there card to save, and I do this, and I there. So there I have this here, and where is it? There. I do this active card as visitable. That's what I do. So with this I do a save active card, and I do a card prefab dot card, so that way I can trigger whatever I want. I can do a save the card that is activated so that an animation clip can activate can use its effects, can activate its effects at specific frames. That's what it does. There, I save this here, an active card. That's what I do. There. Blah 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 blah. Tuku 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 blah 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 blah. That way I won't have to use these cached active cards. Instead of cache active card, I can use the other one, active cards. So let's just save this here just in case. And let's do active cards, there. Oh, I can't use it like this. So this needs to be a card prefab. There we go. So this card prefab. Oops. Card to save. The active cards. Their cards. Now it makes more sense. There. If it is an item card, their cache, my entity bin, their execute, this guy, active card. So where else do we have this? There, active cards, context. What's common clip events? There, context, active cards. My freaking freak. What's this? Clips, events, visitor. Common clip events. Okay, let's just save. Let's do a public car prefab. Get active cars. Return there. Get active cars. There we go. Context. Get active cars. Context. There. Get active cars. Context. Get active cars. There we go. So where else is the cache? Okay, nowhere else. Let's see if I can find the actions of buildables. Let me check here. Transform. Okay, so this uses another technique. Okay, trigger card effect. Okay. Playable cards, trigger card effect. This has no action. Do I have an action? No. They're empty. This has no action either. Activation, trigger component. This has no action either. This has no action. This has no action. This has activation trigger, action. What's this? Runs the right animation and then on the right frame. Activation trigger action. Okay, let's delete this. Let's get that activation trigger. Activation trigger. No, this is. What's this trigger parent card? Activation trigger. Wait, activation trigger. Trigger down. Oh, these are the actions. Modify health. Activation trigger because. Are you sure? Activation trigger? Activation trigger, why is this different from the other ones? Punch card, trigger card. So we have this trigger card, activation trigger card action. Activation trigger card effect. Activation trigger action. So this is the same. I don't get this. Activation trigger. Trigger card effect. Punch attack. Wait. Punch attack should be basic anyway. Iron sword, sword attack, activation, sword attack, punch attack, slash attack, sword attack action. Okay, I should save this like that. It's sword attack. Okay, so this was already set. Sword, sword attack, throw over rock, activation trigger action. Okay, iron sword, sword attack. Just saving potion item card, activation trigger. There we go. Okay, so now each time a card is triggered, I should be able to save which card was triggered and then run it instead of relying on the cached card. What? There is no error here. Oh, I forgot to save. Forgot to save. Let's see if I ruined everything or not. Okay, let's see. Whoop. There. Let's start with this one. Bloop. Okay, so you should attack without any problem. What the heck is this? Close combat. Trigger card effect. Effect graph. So we have an error when activating the punch card of the hero. Something was not set to an instance of an object. So I guess the parent deck manager was not set. Let's see. Here. No. Fusionable, no. Change parent. So when changing parent, this is set. Let's try again. The parent entity being I guess this is the one missing. My common clip events. Oh. My entity being. It's there. It's there. Animated mesh, common clip events. So what's the problem? Parent, the card, what's let me check here. So I have the enemy template. Activate first card. Goblin. Do we have the entity? I have this. Mesh. card. None. Close combat zone. I have my command clip events. I have the active card, which is this one. This is the punch card. So what's the problem? I don't get it. Save active card. Parent. So the card here. Do I have another error? Nope, I only have these two errors. On close combat, on trigger. There. Trigger card action. Trigger card action. Cash card. Parent card. Okay, let's try again. Let's create the village. Oops. Let's add a punch card. Let's go here. Oh, look at that. One error. This. Okay, so it's the error of the enemy template and the card of this enemy. Card template, my title, this guy. And then it says that null reference exception, not set to an instance of an object. This guy here. This card. Oh, parent deck manager. So that's the problem. Parent deck manager is missing. Of course, it doesn't have a parent deck manager. So what can I use instead? Cards. Parent manager. My item components, my card prefab view, flash, cooldown, parent deck manager is only updated when I drop it. Okay, gonna go to eat something. I'll be back soon. See you later. Thanks for